These dreamy anime videos you just saw are going viral right now. Some Instagram pages are gaining over 260,000 followers, and many of their videos are getting millions of views. And honestly, it's easy to see why. They feel calm, cinematic, and almost like a dream. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can create these dreamy anime videos using AI. Let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, and search for Dreamy Anime Lab. Once you find it, click Start Chat Now. When you run the generator, it will give you 10 different video ideas. For this example, I'll go with idea number 5. Once selected, it will generate an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Copy the image prompt. Now open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. And within seconds, your image is ready. Now let's turn it into a video. Go to Create Video in Flow AI and select Frames to Video. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and hit Generate. And just like that, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks calm, cinematic, and dreamy. Exactly the kind of content people love to watch on loop. Save it. Now repeat the same process with other prompts to create multiple clips. Here's another one I created using the same method. And that's how you can create these viral, dreamy anime videos using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which niche you want me to cover next.